Hello again and welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I have to thank all my subscribers. You are so wonderful. You keep coming back, you keep learning, and that's the important thing. That's why I'm doing it, to give you the information that has taken me years to accumulate. The understanding of the voice, and then giving those exercises to you. And that's what I wanted to talk to you about. I started with beats and I needed to use my PA, but the PA is old and the fan makes this terribly big loud sound. So I had to discontinue right now because I listen to the videos and I say, even though I love the beats and I want to give you the exercises with them, which is going to come up, I can't do it right now. I have to fix the PA, but I don't want to say it too loud because the PA might get mad and just decide to go blink on me. So today, thank you to the subscribers. Thank you for your patience with the terrible sound that was going along with the beats. But I'm going to have them come back as soon as I can get that problem fixed. Okay? And then I also wanted to give you a little tidbit here. It is something I've shared with one of my students when they were here and having a hard time. It is three things. To know, to decide, and then to follow through. A lot of times we know something. I know I need to practice. And life gets in the way. I know I've got homework. Oh, I can't do practice. I've got homework. Or I'm at the job, and the job is like, it takes up everything. Then I go home and, I'm beat. It's like not going to the gym for the exercise for the body. I don't have time. You know what? As my mentor says, Darren Hardy, everybody has the same amount of time, 24/7. So it's how you allocate that time. Are you really going to do something about it if you really love this thing? So you know that you need to practice. You know you need to learn this song. You know you need to go to the agent. You know you need new pictures. You know you need to practice for doing something on stage. Okay, then you decide. I decided I'm going to practice. I've decided I'm going to learn that new song. I'm going to call this agent. I'm going to get a manager. I'm going to fix things about my body I don't like. I'm going to put the makeup on for me. Okay, whatever it is. I'm going to join a group. I'm going to put my show list together. Then the bottom line is, the last one, do you really follow through? All of the knowing and deciding mean absolutely nothing if you don't follow through. It's so easy to say I can't. With my students, I can't means I won't. I don't want you to do that, okay? You've got to follow through. That means either you got to get up earlier in order to set the day and do the things and get the things done that you need to do. You need to, number one, do your practice first and then the homework. If you're in school, you're in college, you're in high school, whatever it is. If you have a job, if you have a family. Okay, this is my time. And it's right here. It's this date and this day. You set a schedule for it. The other thing is, so many people, they're driving in their car. Oh, I was listening to some songs. Well, yeah, but did you practice? You know you have a show coming up. Did you practice your songs? Don't practice anything else but those songs that you have. Don't do anything else but do the practice in the car. You're a captive audience there. And it doesn't have to be the video looking at it. You just have to have the sound. And now you have that sound coming through. You can vocalize in the car. That's what I used to do. On the way to the gigs, I would vocalize in the car. I was all warmed up. When I got there, I was prepped. I was ready to go. And that's what I do. I vocalize on the way to the gym because I don't want to vocalize. Some people love it. I find it hard because I've got so many things. One thing is grabbing me. This other thing is grabbing me. Someone calls. Another student wants to change the appointment. Anything can happen. But when I schedule and I don't have the phone on, I don't have emails in front of me, I don't have anything, I scheduled the practice. Nothing else happens. That's how my book happened. I scheduled it. I got up at 4 a.m. and I worked on what I needed to do. I got my book time in, and it was then every day I was able to do it. I have a book to show. I've been practicing a show, and I set the time for it. So you set how many days you're going to do it, you set the times. And if you can't do it, something comes up, you reschedule, okay? In the car, scheduling, have nothing that interferes. If it does, you reschedule, okay? That's the follow through. I want you guys to let me know in the comments, what are you going to do to change and make what your dreams are, what you love, come through, okay? Probably a lot of you are going, wait a second, I wanted some exercises. You know what? We're exercising right here about how we approach life. And this is in anything. You can approach this with going to the gym, with weight loss, with working on your marriage, with working on your other profession that you have, if you have another one. This is it for me. I'm loving you guys. Okay, I will look forward to seeing your comments. I always make time to answer you, and also let you know that if you're a pro, you want to take private lessons. If you are just wanting to exercise, you really don't want private lessons. You have different styles of music, you know, it doesn't matter. Come to Singing for a Lifetime. It's a group and we love you, okay? You can go to marquitawaters.com. Okay, you need to subscribe if you aren't a subscriber, but if you are, love you guys. And if you aren't, go ahead, subscribe and ring-a-ding, ring the bell, okay? Have a wonderful, wonderful singing day. And as I always say, it is such a day, such a mighty fine day. Yeah, yeah. Bye.